In a world where wealth often comes with a spotlight, there's something fascinating about quietly building financial success. It's not about hiding, it's about focusing on what truly matters without the need for validation. Getting rich without anyone knowing is not only possible, but it's also a smart strategy for long-term financial security. Today, we'll explore how to quietly create wealth by adopting simple habits, practical decisions, and a focused mindset. If you've ever wanted to achieve financial freedom without the fanfare, this video is for you. Number 1, master the art of financial discretion. The first step to getting rich without anyone knowing is keeping your financial progress private. Whether it's a raise at work, a successful side hustle, or a new investment, resist the urge to announce your wins to others. Think of someone who quietly invests in stocks or starts a small online business. Instead of sharing every milestone on social media, they reinvest their earnings and build their wealth steadily over time. By keeping your finances low profile, you protect yourself from unnecessary opinions, scrutiny, or envy. Number 2, live below your means. One hallmark of the quietly wealthy is their ability to live below their means. This doesn't mean living frugally to the point of discomfort. It means avoiding unnecessary upgrades that don't align with your goals. For example, instead of trading in a perfectly functional car for the latest model, consider channeling that money into investments or savings. A modest lifestyle not only accelerates financial progress, but also keeps you under the radar. Number 3, diversify your income streams. Building multiple streams of income is a game changer for growing wealth quietly. The idea is to create income sources that work for you without requiring constant attention. Consider options like renting out a spare room, selling digital products online, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. These strategies allow you to grow wealth over time while keeping your financial situation low-key. Number 4, invest wisely without flashiness. Investing is a cornerstone of wealth building, but there's no need to make it flashy. Instead of chasing high-risk investments or trendy options, focus on steady, reliable choices like index funds, real estate, or even bonds. For example, you might buy a small property in a growing area and rent it out for consistent income. Quiet investments like these grow your wealth without requiring you to explain or justify your choices to others. Number 5, keep your social circle tight. The people you surround yourself with can significantly impact how you handle money. Maintaining a small, supportive circle ensures your financial journey remains private. For instance, if you achieve a significant financial goal, discussing it with a trusted friend rather than a group of acquaintances helps maintain discretion. By keeping your circle small, you can protect your progress from gossip or misunderstanding. Number 6, skip the luxury branding. The quietly wealthy often avoid splurging on luxury brands or flashy items. Instead, they prioritize quality over labels. For example, instead of purchasing an expensive designer wallet, opt for a well-made alternative that serves the same purpose. This approach saves money and ensures your financial success doesn't become a topic of conversation. Number 7, automate your finances. One of the easiest ways to quietly grow wealth is by automating your savings and investments. Setting up automatic transfers ensures consistency and eliminates the temptation to overspend. For instance, you can arrange for a portion of your paycheck to go directly into a retirement fund or a high-yield savings account. This not only keeps your financial habits discreet, but also ensures steady progress. Number 8, avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. However, quietly wealthy individuals resist this urge, keeping their expenses consistent regardless of their income. For example, instead of moving to a more expensive neighborhood after a raise, consider using that additional income to pay off debt or build your emergency fund. Avoiding lifestyle inflation helps you grow wealth faster without drawing attention. Number 9, focus on building assets, not liabilities. A key strategy for building wealth is focusing on assets, things that appreciate over time or generate income. For instance, instead of purchasing the latest tech gadget, you might invest in a rental property or a certification course to boost your skills. By prioritizing assets over liabilities, you're quietly building a foundation for long-term financial success. Number 10, maintain a low profile. Staying rich under the radar means avoiding unnecessary attention. For example, if you achieve a financial milestone, celebrate it quietly with close friends or family instead of announcing it publicly. This approach helps you focus on your goals without external distractions or expectations. Quiet success often leads to a more sustainable, secure financial future. Number 11, embrace the power of minimalism. Living a minimalist lifestyle reduces unnecessary spending and keeps your finances simple. For example, instead of buying decor items you don't need, focus on owning things that genuinely add value to your home. Minimalism also extends to financial commitments. Simplifying obligations like consolidating loans or cutting subscriptions helps you manage wealth efficiently. Number 12, be strategic about debt. Debt can either be a tool or a trap. Quietly wealthy individuals use debt strategically, borrowing only for things that create value. For example, taking out a loan for a rental property that generates income is a smart use of debt. On the other hand, avoiding high-interest credit card debt ensures your finances remain healthy and discreet. Number 13, build wealth over time, not overnight. True wealth is built through patience and consistency. For example, contributing a small amount to your investment portfolio every month may not seem like much, but over years it grows exponentially thanks to compound interest. This long-term approach ensures sustainable financial growth without sudden lifestyle changes that attract attention. Number 14, stay educated and informed. Financial literacy is essential for building wealth. Quietly wealthy individuals stay informed by reading books, taking online courses, or learning from trusted resources. For instance, understanding how to budget effectively or invest wisely helps you make better financial decisions. The more informed you are, the easier it is to grow wealth without anyone noticing. Number 15, protect your privacy. In today's digital world, protecting your privacy is crucial. Avoid oversharing personal financial details online and take steps to secure your assets. For example, using secure passwords, limiting your public profile, and being cautious about sharing financial updates ensures your wealth journey remains private. Number 16, celebrate progress, not perfection. The quietly wealthy understand the value of small victories. They celebrate milestones like paying off a debt or reaching a savings goal without seeking external validation. For instance, instead of throwing a lavish party, you might treat yourself with something meaningful yet modest. Like a nice meal or a day off. Quiet celebration keeps the focus on progress.